What is good, YouTube? We are back with another video. This is episode 13, I think. I don't know. I'm making a bunch of videos today. I'm finishing the series today, right? I'm making all these videos and uploading them, and then I'm done with this series. We're going to be going over market maker models in this video. If you are not in the free Discord, go join it. It is the first link down below. I'm pretty hyped up right now. I don't know why. I just want to see Bitcoin rip, and I'm just chilling out listening to music. We're going to go over these market maker models, so let's get into it. Right? So market maker buy models, market maker sell models, abbreviated MMXM and MMBM, right? There are two forms of these market maker models, the buy model and the sell model. This right here is your market maker buy model, right? Every single market maker model starts off with an original consolidation. If you can't identify an original consolidation, there's not a market maker model, right? Now, whenever we come down here, right, this is your SMR, your smart money reversal, this leg right here, right? This manipulation leg, right? And then the standard deviation video, this is whenever you can take this, measure this leg, and then standard deviation will most likely align with original consolidation. Now, what you want to see with your SMR is what? A key level, right? Order block, fair value gap, an old high, an old low, whatever you want it to be, has to come into a key level, right? Now, I don't know how to invert this chart. I don't know how to invert this, but if this was a market maker sell model, we would flip this and we would be coming up, and then we would flip and then come take out the original consolidation on sell side of the curve, right? The whole point of these market maker models is to identify which side of the curve we are on, right? Are we on sell side of the curve or buy side of the curve? Boom. That's it. It's pretty simple. Now, what does this look like in a chart? If we want to just go from lower time frame to the higher time frame, we can, because there was an example of this. Sorry, all these are from a different video. There was an example of this on Friday, right? What do we see right here with this candle? See, it comes into what? A key level. Now, the next thing with these market maker models is you have to understand time frame alignment. So I should actually probably go over that. 4-hour key level to a what? 15-minute market maker buy model. 1 hour key level to a what? 5-minute market maker model. Oops, let's put X instead of B. Market maker model. Now, a 15-minute to a 1-minute market maker model, right? These are your intraday market maker models right here. So screenshot that. Now, the higher time frame, monthly key level to a daily market maker model, weekly key level to a 4-hour market maker model, and then finally daily key level to a 1-hour market maker model, right? These are your time frame alignments: monthly to daily, weekly to 4-hour, daily to 1 hour, 4-hour to 15-minute, 1 hour to 5-minute, and 15-minute to 1 minute. So boom, right? So right here we have this 4-hour fair value gap. So time frame alignment, right? You can see right there we tap into it. What do we look for? 15-minute, right? Can we identify an original consolidation? Yes, right here, right? We're just accumulating here, aren't we? Yes, we're just accumulating in this area, right? So we have an original consolidation up here, right? So right here, we have an accumulation. We have a drive into a higher time frame key level, right? Before we get up here, what do? Retrace to what? 15-minute order block, right? Right here. What does that mean? 1 minute market maker model, right? Right here. Tap into that order block. Looks like we're going to go up. What do? Turtle soup this low. And I took a trade right here, right? On paper. I took it on paper because I don't like trading afternoon. Can we identify an original consolidation? Yes, we can. Now, what's the next thing that you have to understand? Every move starts and ends with the turtle soup. Did we have a turtle soup? No. No turtle soup up here. So this is your original consolidation. All right. Turtle soup at the low. Higher time frame key level. Now, right here, as soon as we close above this candle, which happens right there, order block. Tap the order block, right? If you didn't get in on the soup, I got in right here, right? I bought on this green candle, and then I wrote it up to the 15-minute market maker buy model, right? But if you're just looking to scalp, you can target this high, right? Fair value gap, boom, you can buy here, right? What else do we tap? Order block, right? The only down close candle in this expansion higher. Tap it, continue. Last entry, right? Right here. Fair value gap with an order block. We don't come into this one. Why? Order block and a fair value gap. There's no need to. Deliver to this, and then what do? Take out the original consolidation on the higher time frame market maker model. So right there, market maker model inside of a market maker model. Sell side of the curve, buy side of the curve, sell side of the curve, buy side of the curve on the higher time frame, right? 15-minute sell side, 15-minute buy side of the curve. Intraday inside of that price action, sell side of the curve, buy side of the curve. Boom. That's it. So we can go to a daily key level, right? What do we see right here, right? This is going to be your what? Daily fair value gap to a 1 hour market maker sell model, right? So what's this going to look like? Right? This consolidation did not last long, but this is going to be a consolidation point, right? Right here. Come up to these highs, right? And we probably do have an SMT right here. Yes, SMT at this high. So this would be your turtle soup on the ES. This is your SMT. And then we deliver down to this low, right? Right before we do, come into a fair value gap, right? And then actually this is New York session. So we don't quite get any more distribution phases. So bearish SMT, soup the high. You can go to the 15-minute, right? Daily fair value gap, right? SMT at the high. Turtle soup, this high. Equal lows. Sell side equal lows. This is going to be your turtle soup. I'm not sure if I can go to the 1 minute. I can't. So sorry, but I can't go to the 1 minute on that chart. But you can probably see on the 5 minute, right there, the original consolidation becomes much more clear. Right here, original consolidation keeps the lows, turtle soups the high, turtle soup again, distribute lower, right? So weekly, we can go to the weekly. What do we have? A weekly order block. We have a high up here, right? Buy side order block, right? 4 hour. Do we have an original consolidation? Yes, we do. Right? This would be your consolidation, right? Consolidating, displacement, come up, displace really extreme, right? What can't we do? We have to turtle soup a low to distribute higher, right? Turtle soup a low, rejection block, which becomes what? Your lower time frame order block, right? If we go to the 15-minute, it's going to be a 15-minute order block, right? Right here. Right there becomes your order block, right there, right? Higher time frame rejection block becomes your lower time frame order block. Right here's your order block, turtle soup low, come higher, right? And then once again, we're in a 4 hour market maker model. So displace out of here. We don't quite tap that, right? Right here, order block, displace out of there. Order block, displace out of here, right? Come down. This is your order block because we've traded into this order block. So mean threshold of this order block comes into CE, holds it. What do? Turtle soup low, displace out of here. Fair value gap. Taps into it, expansion higher. Expansion above these highs. Slow grind higher. All of these imbalances, respects, comes up higher, right? No displacement, so what do we need to do? Turtle soup. Expansion higher, fair value gap. Taps into it, and then we deliver to the buy side, right? So right there, original consolidation, sell side of the curve, buy side of the curve. Super, super simplistic, mate. We can do a monthly, right? Monthly, fair value gap to the daily. Original consolidation. Boom. Consolidate. Now we kind of just expand higher, but right here, fair value gap, tap into it, continue. Before we deliver to these highs, what do? Accumulate right under them, and then hold this fair value gap, and then deliver to those highs, right? So we can do one more example on the lower time frame chart, right? Not during this week though, because it was FOMC week, so yeah, right? So let's see, is there a 15-minute fair value gap? Yes, right here, right? So 15-minute fair value gap, 1 minute market maker model, right? Okay, so this is actually going to be pretty tough. But what can you do, right? Closure above this high, did not take this candle's high, deliver lower, tap into the 15-minute fair value gap, and then we hold what? Breaker, right? Hold this high, right? Close above it, hold this high, continue higher, take out the buy side. That wasn't a good example, so let me find one more. Right here looks good, right? Accumulate, manipulate. This is 8. It looks like we had news at 8:30. So it takes out all these highs. Turtle soup. We have a low. Can I go to the 1 minute? Yes, I can. Right? Do we have an original consolidation? Yes. Right? Consolidation right here. Buy side of the curve with news. Turtle soup a high. Fair value gap. Oh, I took this trade. Fair value gap right here. SMT at this high. Short that. That's what I did. Right? Short right there. An original consolidation. Sell side of the curve. Fair value gap. 5-minute fair value gap here as well. And then one more stage right before we hit this low. Right? So market maker models, all you need is a key level, identify an original consolidation, and then just trade it, right? Identify what key level we have tapped, if it is a 15-minute high or a 15-minute fair value gap. Those are the only things you need, or if you want to add an order block in there for your key level, right? That's it. So just remember the time frame alignments with this. If you're not trading off of the time frame alignments, then you're not really gonna be able to trade these too well, right? If you're not going from the daily to the 1 hour and then 1 hour to 5 minute, you're gonna miss out a lot. So I'm not saying you have to execute on them, just find the original consolidation on the time frame alignment. Yeah, just find the original consolidation on that time frame under the key level time frame. So that's literally it. It's super simple to understand. If you have any questions, come into the Discord. I'll be in there. Peace.